Now that you're on board the core ship, your mission is twofold. Your primary objective is to download the launch codes from the ship's bridge. With the codes, we can halt the evacuation of the droid army. Your secondary objective is to permanently disable this core ship. En route to the bridge, each member of Delta Squad will sabotage critical systems throughout the ship. This elevator should take you to the Super Battle Droid storage racks. Navigate through the racks to the control room and disable its systems. Once you've disabled the droid loader, rendezvous with your squad and make your way to the bridge. We're counting on you, 3-8. Good luck. Advisor out.
Alone against all these droids? They don't stand a chance. These droids must be on standby. I'd better be careful not to wake them up.
O7 checking in. I've just about reached my target. No droids so far.
4-0 reporting. Running into a little droid trouble.
O7 here. I've infiltrated the repulsor lift control room. Slicing the system now. That shook him up.
4-0, resuming course towards primary power conduit.
Squad, our presence is no longer a secret. Keep alert.
Ah, 6-2 here. I think I've reached the coolant intake valve.
Ooh!
No, wait. It's an exhaust port.
6-2, could you can the chatter until you've got something useful to say? 4-0, slicing primary power conduit now.
Ooh!
6-2 reporting. I finally located the coolant intake valve. Planting charges now.
Oh. 3-8? Come in, 3-8. I think Delta Squad has been eliminated.
Resuming course towards primary power conduit.
Squad, our presence is no longer a secret. Keep alert.
"6-2 here. I think I've reached the coolant intake valve." No, wait. It's an exhaust port.
6-2, could you can the chatter until you've got something useful to say? 4-0, slicing primary power conduit now.
"6-2 reporting. I finally located the coolant intake valve. Planting charges now."
This is quite an operation they've got.
Tracking a noise.
On the loading block control.
Roger 3-8. I'm uploading an anti-protocol worm that will completely disable their loading operations. Find a terminal and slice it in.
Affirmative.
Tracking a noise.
I think I hit a nerve. All right, squad. Secondary objectives complete. Rendezvous on sub-level 1157.
"You got it, boss."
Yes, sir.
Affirmative.
We really did a number on this ship.
Running into a bit of trouble here.
We're under attack, sir.
"We've got a droid situation, boss."
Die, you metalhead piece of trash.
"I don't think Trade Fed Security appreciates our work here.
Heads up, Deltas. We've put quite a dent in the ship and they don't like it.
The way these droids are swarming, one might think we weren't welcome."
Just keep them at bay for now. No heroics. Once we're all back together, we'll get ourselves to the bridge and then we're off this beast for good.
Affirmative.
"You got it, boss."
Copy that.
Nothing on scanner. Visual scan negative. Tracking audio disturbance. Target identified.
me handle this, sir.
Nice work, 07.
Take cover. They're coming back. Look at the bolts down. Thanks for the assist, boss.
We're under attack, sir.
We're pinned down!
That's Fixer and 6-2 down there.
We missed your Buckus charm.
Secondary objectives complete, ready for orders.
Well done, 3-8. There's a loading substation somewhere on this level with an elevator that will take you directly to the bridge.
Affirmative. Let's get to it, Deltas. Cancel snipe maneuver, Commando. Let's form up.
Forming up, boss. Federation mech destroyed.
Need a reload here.
Flankers! Behind you, 38!
What's that?
It's a droid dispenser, 07. Next time, read the briefing.
Boss, a demo charge should shut it down for good. Need some cover, squad. Nice handiwork, sir.
Red, green, red, green, red.
Why do we always get the top job?
Quit the chatter, Delta.
Reloading.
Fire in the hole.
Target annihilated.
Good work, squad. I hope we don't run across more of those anytime soon.
Oro covering vector.
Delta, form up. Delta squad forming up.
Forming up, boss.
Audio trace detected.
Let's find out what's on the other side.
Let's do it. Placing breach charge. All clear.
Fire in the hole!
Eliminate target. Delta squad forming up. Eliminate target.
Nice kill. We've got bugs, Deltas.
Eyes in the skies, Delta!
Eliminate target.
Good take, Lee. I'm out. Reloading.
We'll beat them, Delta squad.
They got 8. Boss, hold on to your guts while I rip out theirs.
That's done. Reloading.
Looks like we'll have to get through this door. There's got to be a control console around here somewhere. Let's get to it, Deltas.
3-8, can you hear me? I'm reading low vital signs from your squad.
We've got bugs, Deltas.
I'm out. Reloading.
Delta 3-8 is down.
Close rank.
We've got bugs, Deltas.
Freaking laser beam!
Fresh ammo.
That's droid.
Eliminate target. Anti-armor, mark that position. We'll have to get through this door. There's got to be a control console around here somewhere. Let's get to it, Deltas.
Target area in view.
Commando healed. Lost squad leader.
Dang you, blasted insects!
Hold on, sir. Gotta kill these scumbags first. Reloading.
Delta 07 down.
Fetch me, bug scum!
We've got bugs, Deltas.
6-2 powering up. I mean, fire! Nice hit, boss. Busted that droid.
Eliminate target.
Excellent kill.
Seven's down. Someone help him.
Deltas, watch the skies.
Looks like we'll have to get through this door. There's got to be a control console around here somewhere. Let's get to it, Deltas.
I'm ready for battle. Taking cover.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Moving into position.
Anti-armor, mark that position. Go!
My favorite, sir.
Stop limping around and get some Vector, soldier.
Yes, sir. On my way.
I thought you'd never ask, sir. Oh, I'm healthy now.
Much better.
Give us some sniping, Commando.
Target practice.
Let's crack that terminal, Delta.
Yes, squad leader.
Ready and raring, sir.
Cancel snipe maneuver, Commando. Anti-armor, mark that position. Go! Cancel maneuver, Delta. You can take him out from here.
Yes, sir.
Terminal sliced, sir. That's a major skittering action here, boss.
Your back. Eliminate target.
Subject terminated.
Just did that one. Hold on a minute.
Pack it up, Delta. Let's form up.
We got your back, 3A.
Stop limping around and get some Vector, soldier.
I thought you'd never ask, sir.
Get yourself some Vector, Commando.
Yes, sir. On my way.
I'm good.
Moving to
Let's
cover.
go.
07, ready for duty. That helped.
Let's form up.
Forming up.
Look alert! Another spider
Anti-armor,
droid dead
mark
ahead.
that position.
Starting
Go!
to hate these guys.
Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Let me show you real marksmanship.
Moving to your mark.
Eliminate target. We'll beat them, Delta Squad.
Mechanical.
Get yourself some Vector, Commando.
Getting back to. Good to go, sir. That's just what I needed.
It's done.
Hostile down.
That was a lot more intense than the simulations.
Heal up, Delta.
Retrieving back to taken.
Seven, taking cover.
Let's form up.
Forming up, sir.
Let's find out what's on the other side.
Commencing door breach maneuver. Setting breach charge. Clear.
Grenade! Throwing spotted.
Eliminate
Some
target.
heavy them. Reloading.
Sir, on my way.
Subject terminated.
Eliminate target. This should be the elevator. That'll take us to the bridge.
Come
Let's form up.
Forming up.
Eliminate target.
Lead it down!
Take out that droid. Hold on, sir. Gotta kill these scumbags first.
Now I'm ready.
Hostile down.
All aboard!
Alert. Hull breach imminent. Critical systems failure in 5 minutes. Evacuate immediately.
Droids! Perfect hit, 3A. Nice strike.
Delta Squad on sub-level 0001.
Good job, 3-8. Now find the bridge and get those codes.
Affirmative. Move it, Deltas. This ship has just about had it.
Hull integrity compromised. Evacuate immediately.
I think the boss is down. Sir, I'd love to help, but I'm kind of busy right now.
Good kill.
Assisting squad lead.
Critical systems failure in 4 minutes.
Remind me to leave the ship before we destroy it next time. Detroit!
Eliminate target.
Stabilizers failing. System failure imminent.
Breach that door, Delta.
I know.
Reloading.
We've lost Delta lead. Make up your mind, sir.
Eliminate target.
Critical systems failure in 3 minutes.
Eliminate target.
4-0, reloading.
Confirmed.
Good hit.
Commence door breach.
Initiating breach maneuver. Placing breach charge. All clear.
Fire in the hole! Squad leader,
Door
good
breach.
shot.
Let's move.
Fed mechanical down. Enemy destroyed.
Let's form up.
Forming up, boss. Locating some enemy droids.
Eliminate target.
I'm tapped out.
Let's form up. Eliminate target.
Critical systems failure in 2 minutes.
Not much time left, sir.
Hold tight, Deltas. We're almost there. The bridge should be just through this door. Stop limping around and get some back to us, soldier.
On my way, squad leader. Combat ready. Moving to
Stop
cover.
limping around and get some back to us, soldier.
Retrieving back to sir. That did the job.
Initiate vector procedures, Delta.
I'm heading there now.
Breach that door.
Initiating breach maneuver.
Feeling all right now.
Charge set. Clear.
Grenade throws.
We're in, Delta.
Better hurry. Come on, Deltas. Let's get those codes and get out of here.
Critical systems failure in 1 minute.
Sir, nice shot.
Eliminate towers.
Protect that console. It's our only ticket out of here.
Take them out from there, Delta.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Inbound. Scorched in position.
got it.
Killed that one.
Slice that terminal, Delta.
Affirmative.
Critical systems failure in 30 seconds. Critical systems failure in 20 seconds.
Hurry it up. This is taking longer than I'd like.
Working as fast as I can, sir.
Get yourself some back. Eliminate towers.
Critical systems
Good to
failure
go.
in 10,
Eliminate towers.
9,
On your 638.
7,
That's
6, 5, 4,
No.
3,
codes downloaded, sir.
1.
We've got the codes.
Well done, Deltas. Now get yourselves out of there.
Delta Squad, we're approaching the core ship now.
System
Advance to
failure.
the aft docking ring. Be advised we're going to blast it open.
Registering noise.
Back to now.
Hull integrity compromised. Evacuate
Delta
immediately.
Squad on sublevel 0001.
Good job, 3-8. Now find the bridge and get those codes.
Affirmative. Move it, Deltas. This ship has just about had it. Eliminate towers.
Destroyer droids here. I'm out. Reloading. Good one, sir.
It was a
Watch
pleasure.
that droid.
Hostile down.
Go.
Critical systems failure in 4 minutes.
Remind me to leave the ship before we destroy it next time.
Droid destroyed.
Eliminate towers.
Give me another.
Heavy mix
Let's
ahead.
form up.
Forming up.
Eliminate towers.
Powering up.
Stabilizers failing. System failure imminent.
That's done.
Commence door breach.
Aye, aye.
Eliminate towers.
Detonator set. Clear.
Grenade thrown.
Let's clear this
Veteran
place
droids
out.
here.
Eliminate towers.
Powering up.
Critical Critical systems failure in 3 minutes.
Take offensive formation.
Gotcha.
Delta Squad forming up.
We got your back, 3-8.
Eliminate target.
The Baker droid.
Good shot, Commando.
Eliminate target.
Reloading.
Delta Squad forming up. Eliminate target.
Nice strike.
Give me another.
Hold tight, Deltas. We're almost there. The bridge should be just through this door. Stop looping around and get some vector,
Critical
soldier.
systems failure in 2 minutes.
Not much time left, sir.
Initiate door breach, Commando.
Yes, sir.
Condition nominal.
Setting breach charge.
Taking position. Droid
Watch
detected.
this. Door cleared. We're in.
Eliminate target.
Fresh ammo.
Better hurry. Come on, Deltas. Let's get those codes and get out of here.
The Baker droid.
Let's take them down from here, Delta.
Protect that console. It's our only ticket out of here.
Weapon ready.
Hurry it up. This is taking longer than I'd like.
Working as fast as I can, sir.
Nice one, Lieutenant.
Critical systems failure in 1 minute.
Delta, form up. Could use some vector, Delta.
Retreating back up.
Yes, sir.
That's your terminal. Slide. Code downloaded, sir.
We've got the codes.
Well done, Deltas. Now get yourselves out of there.
Aft door's open.
Delta
Can we
Squad,
leave
we're
now?
approaching the core ship now. Advance to the aft docking ring. Be advised, we're going to blast it open.
30 seconds.
Delta Squad forming up.
Critical systems failure in 20 seconds.
Stand back!
It's good to see you, 4-2.
All aboard! It'll be
Critical
good to get
systems
back
failure
home to the prosecutor.
in 10,
Why won't these guys quit?
9, 8,
recognize your next objective, the Prosecutor, an Acclimator-class Republic assault ship under the command of Captain Martz.
The Prosecutor was our first home. We were stationed there for a long
The
time.
last patrol was the Corellia sector, defending Republic trade routes against separatist activity. But we lost contact with her over 2 weeks ago.
This is nowhere near Corellia. Have they gone rogue?
Not likely.
Respectfully, sir, it could be a trap.
Indeed it could, Delta 4-0, which is why we're sending our most qualified squad to investigate. Someone important noted your excellence on Geonosis.
You hear that, Sev? Someone thinks I'm excellent.
Well, at least that makes 2 of you.
Delta Squad, prepare for low-gravity infiltration. Seal your suits. Good luck.